Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about latest Polestar news. GGPI is the ticker symbol. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video, but before we get down into it, please give me that big thumbs up, the like button. Keep me alive on YouTube. If you are new to the channel, smash that subscribe button as we are growing this channel quite nicely, and I appreciate it, and I thank each and every one of you. I have provided some links down below to some very good promotions. If you use my Moomoo link down below, you can get a potential of 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. The first stock you'll get for free if you just open an account, put in any amount of money, you will get an additional stock, again, valued up to $3,500. If you deposit $2,000 or more, that will get you the 3 extra stocks, each valued up to $3,500 for a total of 5 stocks. Take advantage of that, as this promotion will not last long. I did now want to transition and talk to you about GGPI. That is the special purpose acquisition company by the name Gores Guggenheim, and they are merging with Polestar. Whenever this merger does happen, which will be at the beginning of the year 2022, this company, in my opinion, is going to be huge. Right now, it's valuated to be a valuation at $20 billion, which is very, very cheap when you look at all the EV startup companies in the world. So this stock price, in my opinion, should be at least $20, $18 to $20, again, in my own personal opinion, but please do your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other stock, as I am not your financial advisor. I did just want to transition and talk to you about this article from Investor Place. The title of this article is GGPI stock could raise high quickly as the EV SPAC investment comes back. So as I mentioned, this is a SPAC company. It's a special purpose acquisition company. It's led by a person named Alec Gores. He has come up with so many other SPACs and so many other companies that he's brought to the stock market that has been doing very, very good. One of which is Luminar. It is in the EV autonomous driving space, but check it out. But Polestar as a company is a very, very good company. If you are not familiar with this, it is based off the Swedish company Volvo. It did break off from Volvo and combined with a Chinese company called Geely Automotives. Together, they have come up with Polestar. They are making currently 2 vehicles out there, the Polestar 1 and the Polestar 2. The Polestar 2 is an all-electric vehicle. It is a 4-door sedan. It's all electric and has 265-mile range on a single charge, 0 to 60 in less than 5 seconds. It has a lot of nice technology built into the vehicle, and I do think that this company will do quite well in the future. Just looking at this article and just giving you a brief overview, just last year alone, they did have 10,000 sales of their vehicles last year in the year 2020, and this was nationwide, all over the United States, all over Europe, and across Asia as well. They are projecting by the year 2025, they will be producing 290,000 vehicles, which is amazing growth for this company, and I definitely think that it will be a big competitor in the EV market and in the EV space. So currently the stock price right now is trading at a very, very nice price. I do suspect that with the valuation of Polestar being at $20 billion, this stock, in my opinion, should be worth anywhere from $18 to $20. A lot of people are even asking me, when is this merger going to happen? Well, right now, as far as we know, investors should be expecting this merger of GGPI and Polestar to be in the first half of the year 2022. Now, remember that when GGPI does merge with Polestar, it will become the ticker as PSNY, but each share that you own of GGPI will be converted to PSNY Polestar as a 1-to-1 ratio. So that is a lot of questions I have been receiving from my viewers. But again, I do think that this is a very good company, but they do have a very nice lineup in their vehicles moving forward, and they are aiming to start competing against Porsche. So Polestar will be releasing a competitor to the Porsche, the SUV, the Cayenne in the year 2022. It's also going to be producing a smaller Porsche Polestar vehicle to compete with the Porsche Macan SUV in the year 2023. Also in the year 2024, it does plan on producing its first luxury sedan to compete with the Porsche Panamera out there. So again, Polestar does have very big ambitions in the future, and I do definitely think that it will do good as this company is just starting off, but it is selling quite nicely, especially in Europe and the Asian markets. And I definitely think that it can do well in the United States as well. So it is not one of the most hyped out, stocks out there. It's not like Rivian. It's not like Lucid Motors, as these do have a big following and do have a lot of that frenzy out there. And I definitely think that this company deserves to be looked at and deserves to be put on your watch list as a good EV stock pick. I did just want to transition and tell you how the Polestar stock GGPI is doing. It did in the day today at $14.05. It did go up actually almost about 4.7% throughout the day. The lowest price that it was $13.17. But in the past 5 days, we are still down almost negative 3% from this. We have tested those highs of $14.62 just in the past 5 days, with lows at $13.15. If we look in the past month, 1 month, we have had a nice increase in its stock price of about 35.8%. We did have as low around that $10.30 mark, but we have had a lot of increases. I do think that we are at a base with about $13.30 on this stock. We have tested that resistance of $15.30. I do think that, in my own personal opinion, if you can get this stock under that $13, you are getting a steal of a deal, amazing deal in this stock. But again, if you are getting it still under $15, you are getting it at a good deal if you are a long-term holder of Polestar into the future in the next few years. I do definitely think that this company will be big. And let me just transition and show you some price predictions. This is from Wallet Investor, that does use technical analysis and previous trading to predict future forecasts. In the next 1 year, it is projected that GGPI, which will be Polestar, will be valued about $17.85 in the next 12 months. In the next 5 years, $30.20. So you do have definitely a chance to double your money, according to Wallet Investor, in the next 5 years. I do think that these are very conservative numbers. I do, in my personal opinion, think that currently this stock should be worth between $18 and $20. But again, these are my opinions only. So always do your own due diligence, always do your own research before purchasing this or any other stock. But definitely the company as a whole, Polestar, has a very bright future. It does have a lot of vehicles, a lot of nice things coming in the pipeline. When we do look at this vehicle, when we look at its technology, it is a very good company. Now, it is not as high and as efficient at the level of Tesla or Lucid Motors, but definitely its price point is where its biggest strength is, as that you can get this vehicle at quite a bargain, with that Polestar 2 being less than $40 with those tax incentives. I think it's a great deal for a vehicle out there, and I do think that it is a good stock. But anyway, I hope you liked this video. Please give me that big thumbs up if you did, and if you learned something new. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get all my videos and all my alerts out there. Please also do not forget to use that link down below to Moomoo. You can get that very big promotion by opening an account right now through Moomoo. You will get free stock, one free stock valued up to $3,500. If you deposit any amount of money, you get an additional free stock, again, $3,500 worth. If you put in $2,000 or more, you get 3 additional stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Get your chance of getting that $17,500 in free stocks using my links down below. But thank you so much again for all your support. Please have a safe and happy Thanksgiving. Tomorrow the stock market is closed, so please be with your families. Give your families hugs. Thank you again so much for all your support, all your prayers. As you know, that my family and I are going through tough times, but definitely I appreciate that very much. And I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Go out there and make some money, but most importantly, live life and enjoy life. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.